Welcome to alqalamdesigns. Make a square and circle inside the square. Take Shape Builder tool and merge this corner. Delete these corners by pressing Alt key. Rotate it. Make a copy of this shape by Ctrl+C and paste it on front by Ctrl+F. Drag the shape inside this shape by pressing Shift. Make another copy and drag to bottom. Make another copy and drag to upside. Align it to the lines. Select all shapes and take Shape Builder tool. Merge these shapes to get final design. Make fill with any gradients. Our design is now ready. Thanks for watching.